How to remove Facebook profile picture without deleting it. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove your Facebook profile picture without deleting it from your account. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, once you open up Facebook, you want to head over to your profile. Once you open up your Facebook, you want to head over to your profile. Once on your profile, now you can see I have a profile picture here. But if you want to delete this profile picture without deleting it from your account on your photos album, so what you can do is first you want to tap on your profile picture, then you'll find the option to choose profile picture. You want to simply tap on either choose profile picture or import from Instagram, and you can just upload a quick picture here. So tap on choose profile picture and then just upload a random picture from your profile. Now once you upload it, what you can do is you can tap on save. Now you can see here, I'll just reload it and it will be uploaded. Now once it's uploaded, if you head over to photos on your albums, you can see my previous picture is here on the account and my new picture is here as well. Now since you want to remove your profile picture, tap on see profile picture this time, tap on three dots and then tap on delete photo. Now once you do so, your profile picture will be removed from your account here. It's taking some time to load up. As you can see here, profile picture will be removed, but on your album, your previous profile picture will still appear. So this is a way that you can remove your Facebook profile picture without deleting it. You want to upload a new one and then delete it quickly. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.